Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we have up is a 1920s Beardsley manufacturing barber chair out of Chicago, Illinois. This is one of our full restoration chairs. So when we get these in, clearly they've been knocked around since the 20s. For a full restoration, I say go to our barber chair restoration video and you'll get an idea of all the work that it takes to take a original chair and turn it into a restored chair. What happens is every nut and bolt comes apart. We turn this into 4 piles. Pile for chrome, pile for paint, pile for upholstery, and a pile for sandblast. So we take everything apart. All of the cast iron porcelain goes to the sandblaster, gets sandblasted, come back, gets high quality primer and the highest quality car paint, and we paint it. The chrome comes back. Clearly, chrome is getting expensive, not that that matters. And then what we do is send out the upholstery. And I just learned something ironic today because I'm doing a chair for somebody else. Went to pick up my upholstery, talking to the upholsterer, and he had just bought me a hide that was huge. It was like 6 feet by 7 feet. That hide came off a big cow, and he goes, "That's a female hide." I'm like, "Well, what do you mean by a female hide?" He said, "Well, when you buy leather hide, you can buy a male hide or female hide. Where the male hide, the hump on the back of the male, they cut that out, number one. And number two, there's a lot of goring that goes on between the males, so the hides are scratched, etc. So we opened up this hide I just got, and it was beautiful. So we only buy female hides with no scars or anything. This is the highest quality leather you can get. Then on this particular chair, I did it, these chairs don't last any time, these dark green and black ones. So I did it in black leather with a nice dark green piping. And then Jeff will show you in the stills. Then I run a double line of dark green on both arms. I run a double line of dark green around the base. I run a double line of dark green around the base, sub base on it. Everything is replated, headrest. The chair works correctly. Goes up and down, right? It's going to, you gotta turn them. Some of these get tricky. Locks into place. This is for the shave, okay? This is just a super, super beautiful chair. All hand done, as you see. They don't get much prettier than this. I've sold probably 10 of these in this color combination. Just a gorgeous chair. They're fun to sit and watch TV in. This clearly flips over. This is for sitting in the chair. This is for a shave. The reason that pad is on there is when you lay back, you're going to put your ankles on the pad. Anyway, super nice, super done. When you buy this chair, we send it next door. We will have it professionally crated. It will be delivered to your home and dropped off in your garage. Get your screw gun out, take it out, put it in your house. And so it's really turnkey. You buy it, we get it to you, no questions asked. Whoever gets this is going to be very, very happy with it. Thanks for watching our videos. Beautiful chair. Somebody's going to really enjoy it. how you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.